Hi, welcome to December 9th, the 9th day of Vlogmas. I realize if you're watching this when I put it up that I might be missing a few days. I caught the flu, so I'm still working on editing a lot of that, and I will get it up, I promise. Better late than never is my theory. But today is a really important topic that I wanted to talk to you all about. It's not Disney related per se. It might be of a lot of interest if you are a Disney YouTuber, or if you are looking for ways to make money at home. It's just some heartfelt advice on why everyone trying to make money online needs to diversify their income. Keep watching. Okay, I have my little cheat sheet here on the reasons why you need to diversify, and then I'll give you examples of how I do it. I have been working online, and while I don't make a fortune, I do make enough that makes me happy, okay? So why do you need to diversify? I'm sorry, my hair is just kind of having the heat on, just like shoom. Anyways, why do you need to diversify your income? It breaks my heart that I've seen a lot of people that are YouTubers that are deleting their channels. They are just deleting it because of this whole COPPA thing. I don't know if you even aware of COPPA, but it's the Child Protection Act. I'll put the acronym somewhere here so you know what it is. And it's where YouTube is making YouTubers decide whether the content is for children or it's not for children. And if it is for children, or they designate that it is for children, they turn off comments, they turn off sharing, and the monetization goes way, way down. They turn off notifications too. So if you are relying on YouTube for an income and your channel's designated for children, then your income just took a nosedive. A lot of my content is Disney related, as well as I know a lot of people who are watching this, it's Disney related. Does that mean my content is for children? Oh no. I'm sorry, it's not. My content is for adults. But these people are like, no, I'm not taking that risk, because if they find out that you have violated it, there's possibility of a fine of $42,000 and blah, blah, blah dollars. And that's a lot of money. And that's per video. So a lot of YouTubers have, I'm not doing this. I can't do this. I can't risk it, you know. So they're closing up. Do they have anything else? So you really need to diversify your income, and that's the number one reason, because rules change. This was not, yes, it was a law, but YouTube was enforcing it in different ways, or they weren't enforcing it, and that's why they got a huge fine. It just happens. So you need to diversify your income, the ways you make money online for that. Another thing is websites disappear. I was writing for a website, and I was getting, wasn't a whole lot, but, some money every month. That website's gone. I don't know what happened to it. It stopped sending me money, and it's gone. Whatever. The content that I had on there, it was evergreen, so it would keep selling every month, but it's gone. The website's gone. Nothing I can do about that. But you always have to be aware that YouTube is not your website. You have no control over it. A website that you are submitting things to is not your website. They can and they will disappear. They will change the rules. It's just part of the online world. Third reason, traffic. Many websites use algorithms to send you traffic. It has to do with SEO. It has to do with your content. And these mysterious algorithms change on a regular basis. So if your content is being seen or not depends. So if you don't get traffic usually equates to how much money you're making. If you don't get traffic, you're not making money. But if you have other sources of income and other sources that are sending traffic to that website or to YouTube, you are diversifying how you are making money. And the last reason I have written down on here is the time of the year. Let me give you an example. If I have Christmas present soap making videos, and that's what I have, and I have those up on YouTube, well, November, they'll probably do really good. The beginning of December, I'll probably have a whole bunch of traffic to those because they're DIY Christmas presents. Am I going to get any traffic to those content to those videos in February, March, April, May. No. No. So it has to do with the time of the year. It has to do, and that's just a Christmas example. You could use that for a springtime example or whatever, but it really has to do with the time of the year and what people are looking for. So I say the need to diversify your income. How on earth do you diversify your income? Well, I have several different businesses online. I do not make money on YouTube. I only have, at the point of this recording, I have 160 subscribers. That is not enough to monetize. I do use my videos to show off my lip colors. I am a Senegence distributor. What better way to show people what great colors there are than video? I have videos up on my website. I have videos up on my Facebook that are not public. They are private. They do not make me any money on YouTube, but they're on my website showing off my lip colors. And I do show them to you all periodically too. The link's down below. But you can be a marketer for some other product. There's Tupperware, I used to do Stampin' Up. So there are stamp things and there's lots of scrapbook things that you can, it's only a part-time gig, but if it brings you in money, you could work it into a full-time. And so there's always that. I also have a business that I run with a friend that sells PLR. PLR is content that I write that you buy to use and you can change and you can use any way you want. It's that simple. People use it for their blogs. They use it for their website content, for social media. So that is an outlet. I also have a blog. I also have a Patreon site. And I am working on a mailing list. Mailing lists are very important because everything else could go defunct and you would still have your customers to reach out to. So mailing lists are always important. So if you are a YouTuber and you have just decided to, there are other things that you can do and still stay online. Don't give up. Don't throw in. There are tons and tons and tons of Disney websites out there. You could do private videos. You need to take control of your online endeavors and make sure that you have more than one in case something goes defunct, that you have something else to fall back on. It's just, not everything is going to be positive all the time, but you can do it. And that's all I have to say on the matter. I probably have a lot more to say, but that's all I have to say for now. Okay. I really hope that all these people who have closed down their YouTube sites, their Disney sites, you had such wonderful content. It breaks my heart to see that you're going to go. I hope that you find some way else to bring us that content, whether it be Instagram stories or your website. Know that monetizing on YouTube is not the be-all to end-all. Really, it isn't. There are other great ways to make money online. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. I will be happy. I'll even leave my email address below. Send me a note if you have a question that you do not want to put on the comments. And as always, always, hit that subscribe button. The bell next to it will let you know each and every time that I upload content. Tomorrow, I think it's going to be back to Disney content. And if you are military and you want to go to Disney, I'm going to go over the military Disney tickets because I realized I did not do those prices for 2020. They announced new prices. We're going to go over that tomorrow. Until tomorrow, you have a magical day.